Oh, that's a tough carrot. Oh, you got it.
Caleb is manning the cutting station. Byron is manning the fridge.
Did you get it again?
Yeah.
And Diego is manning the floor for carrots. And Dana's cooking at the stove. I'm feeling like I should participate in this dinner process more.
You're head of documentation.
I am. I'm documenting. Everybody's got a role in the kitchen, don't they, Caleb? Are you cooking the carrots?
Yeah.
And Byron, you taking care of the magnets? Whoa. Caleb, you sure can fling those carrots far. Hi, Byron. Oh, you know what? Those aren't cooked yet, Byron. You get the softer carrots. How long are you going to cook the carrots for, Caleb? How many minutes? 1 minute?
Yeah.
Or 2 minutes? Can you show me with your fingers? How many minutes? Uh-oh, now the baby has a knife.
Me.
Oh, Caleb, you drew that today?
Yeah.
Will you show it to me? What kind of animal is this?
Oh.
It's a bear. And what color bear is it? What color is it?
Wow.
Good, it's black.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful bear. Hi, Dana.
It says black.
He did. I wish it was pink and he could say pink for us. Caleb, do you remember how to say pink? That marker is black too. I think I might need to turn off the camera and get involved again. Are you done cooking, Caleb?
No.
Will you put the marker back on the fridge? Go put the marker away and then you can finish cooking, okay? Go put it away.
Mama.
Yeah, close it up. And go put it on the fridge. Do you remember how to do it? Do you remember how to put it on the fridge? Oopsie. Good, good. Now put it on the fridge. Do you remember how to do it? Do you want to go outside, Diego? You want to let him outside? Let him outside. Thanks, Caleb. Oh, we're gonna put the marker away. Do you want to say goodbye to the camera?
Bye-bye.
Good job.